Fall is a great time to prep those garden beds for next season. So today I'm going to show you how to get those beds ready for a really productive spring and beyond. Removing spent plants from your raised beds and landscaped areas certainly has its own advantages, but there's another very important one, because now you have a blank slate in which to amend the soil. And that's very important because as your plants are growing throughout the season, you only have so much soil here, and those plants are taking up all those nutrients. So you've got to find a way to improve the soil and add back those nutrients. And for me, as an organic gardener, there's a few things that I always use, and the first is compost. Now, it's a good thing, a little bit goes a long way because you can never seem to make enough of this, but about an inch or two across the surface is good, and I'll mix it all in, and it has good nutrients and micronutrients that my plants need, and it's really going to improve the soil. And then there's another organic amendment that I like to use, and the price is certainly right, and that is arborist wood chips. Now, about a year ago, I had some trees taken down on this property, and I asked the arborist to deposit the chips on the back pasture. Now, at that point, it was a bunch of pieces of wood, but over the course of the last year, that's all broken down. It's almost soil. So I'll put this into the bed as a good carbon source and more organic matter, and that'll continue to break down. And then one more thing I do, I add some organic nitrogen. Now, this is a granular form, but they come in a lot of different forms, but this is just easy to spread, and about a cup is all I need for this area. But the nitrogen will help the carbon break down, and nitrogen in general is good for the soil and your plants. So collectively, I'll mix all this together over the next few minutes, and then I'll have a bed that's totally restored and ready for planting.